Our company's attack plan. We do commercial, visual effects, animation, everything from traditional CG to After Effects and design work.
We're always trying to add something new. So when it comes to rendering or DCC or compositing or whatever, we'll try anything new. The one place we're not actually looking for something new or to push the boundaries is Teradici. We're definitely decentralizing as an industry. If I can hire the best animator that's living up in Maine for a fraction of what it would be to relocate them, put them in some place for X number of whatever time, that would be huge. With that, Teradici is a prime tool.
Well, for us, it was about connecting the talent to our systems without having to rely on traditional means. What Teradici allows us to do is connect people as far away as Australia to our pipeline and work as if they are local to our studio seamlessly.
Like, we actually hired somebody from Australia and we had him test a very early version of our Teradici cloud pipeline. To directly quote him, he said after 20 minutes of working this, he had forgotten that he wasn't on his computer. Everything that we usually do where we go into a screening room and we have a Wacom tablet to actually quickly iterate through and annotate on frames, we just don't have at home. The ability to have that same workflow from home, it's definitely cutting hours of my day in half. Because just as fast as I'm reviewing things at the studio, I'm able to do it here.
We felt very strongly going into COVID that we had a solution for this current pandemic, having already tested and tried Teradici, and it scaled extremely well for us since the pandemic. We had used it in spot cases, the random freelancer that we would have to bring in, and then before you know it, our entire team is all remote. Over the span of a day, we got it up and running, and we haven't really looked back since.
At the end of the day, we want to create art, right? We want to make something that moves you emotionally. We want your art to be as raw and close to that passionate idea you had, whether it's a drawing or an animation or a story. And if we can use tools like Teradici to enable that process or reduce the amount of issues that come about in producing that kind of content, then the closer we are to winning.